my name is Ime. I'm a licensed drone pilot here in Baltimore, Maryland, and today I'm going to show you how to set up one of my favorite drones, the Skydio 2 Plus. First things first, let's talk about gear. Now, of course, you're going to need your Skydio drone. I'm using the Skydio 2 Plus. It comes with a cinema kit with extra batteries, extra propellers, ND filters, and of course, the beacon. Next, you're going to need a smartphone. That smartphone is going to be connected to your Skydio 2 Plus controller, and that's going to allow you to connect to your drone. Whether you have Android or iOS, just make sure that you download the software and make sure you're on the latest version of the app software. So I'm going to take the controller out, I'm going to flip this up, then put my cell phone in. Now that I have this hooked up, I am going to get my USB cord, plug this part in, then plug that into my controller. So it looks like that. Now, if you're on an Android device, then the Skydio 2 app will start up and then it will try to search for the drone. Now that I have my controller set up, I can now take out my Skydio 2 Plus drone. Make sure that you have one of these micro SDs within your drone. This is going to be your memory and where all your pictures and photos are stored. Your drone will not take off until you have this micro SD in the drone. And now we're going to put on our battery. So you're going to take the battery, the drone, and it's a nice magnet. Make sure it's nice and secure. You just want to make sure that nothing's loose. Everything is nice and firm so that you can keep yourself safe and of course, keep others safe around you. Now it's time to turn on the drone. You're going to press and hold until you see blue lights. Okay, I see the blue lights. That pulsating means that the Skydio is getting ready to connect to the app and to your controller. Now that I got my Skydio, I got my takeoff spot, and I think that I'm good to go. So I'm going to begin flight, press and hold to launch. And then the good thing about this is that it automatically records. Okay, so now that my drone is in the air, I've chosen myself as the mark. Now I can fly my drone. And that's how you set up your Skydio 2 Plus.